Well, hello. Today is a day for a reset. It's a Sunday reset. Except it's not Sunday, it's Friday. Because I have things to do this weekend. We are back at a park. I find that parks, honestly, are kind of the easiest place to just like stay for a little while and not be like suspicious. I feel like they're the easiest place because you're coming and going. A lot of people are just here to hike a trail, leave onto their next destination. Where I am right now is honestly like a little more secluded. There's only 2 other cars and then there's like houses that way. So I'd say we found a pretty good spot. But the absolute utter chaos that is my rig right now is just a reflection of my life, I guess you would say. I have not been super on my stuff with trying to keep stuff organized, but that's also because I have a lot more stuff than I need, and that's part of what I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna try to get rid of a lot of this stuff because I brought way more than I needed, and it's already proven to be way too much. So I am gonna work on that. We're gonna do this together because then I can be held accountable. Also, maybe this will give a little insight into kind of the setup. I would like to, like, in the future make a video about the whole setup and whatnot, but I also want to get it like down to where I'm good, I'm living in it, and it's like feasible rather than me trying to change things every 2 weeks because I could find a better way to do stuff, which I know living in such a small space and habits change, whatnot, you're always gonna find something that you wish you could do better. I feel for the time being, I just want to find a way that I can like get my routine down, have it set up nice, get it organized, and then we can show the whole kind of thing. But you might get a glimpse of it today. So oh gosh, there's just so much to do. Let's get started. Yeah. This is what we're working with. Kind of let a few things get out of hand, but I swear birds sound like cats and it freaks me out, at least here. All right, so what I think I want to start with is clothes. Well, that's the one thing I need to get rid of, and that's what I need to go through. But I don't know if it's technically the smartest to start with that because there's so many. And like all of this right here, all of this is all clean. I just did laundry for like, I don't know, the first time in 2 weeks. So it's all clean, but I need to go through all of the stuff that's in my drawers. But I do know that I want to get rid of like a lot of cleaning stuff. Not cleaning stuff, shower stuff, because I don't need it all. So, maybe let's start with the front seats. Yeah, let's try that. I want to meow. Aerate. All right. It's hot. It's It's very hot. It's been like maybe 30 or so minutes. Have I technically cleaned much? Yes, but no. Really no. But I got everything out of the front seat, so that's a start. And I'll just show you. Anna's dressed. She's now wearing clothes. This was already here. This was my original rug that I had in the back. And then this is just a shirt, a long sleeve shirt that I had that I will more than likely not be wearing anytime soon. And then kind of same over here. This is what I've gotten done so far, which I'm not too disappointed, but there's still a lot to do and a lot to go through. But I think the thing is like I can't put anything back in here because I do think that I want to put the lights in so I can get rid of the big ass box that it comes in, but then that way I can kind of just see where everything else can go after that, instead of putting it in thinking it's right and then taking it back out, which is essentially the entire like theme for this build. So anyways, I'm going to move into the back seat, get clothes folded and sorted, and then come back, I guess. I don't know. I really need to organize this, which this is my vanity, and as you can see, yes, my vanity has, you know, bread, jewelry, flossers, tongs, you know, the huge. It's kind of like a catch-all. And this is my little medicine cabinet. I think I'm gonna take it off of being bungee corded wrapped around the seat, but this monstrosity is what we're gonna work on next. So all right. I look bald. And then it's like little peacock feathers. The joys of growing out an undercut. Alright, so here she is in all her glory. Everything's folded. This is stuff that didn't quite get dry, but that's okay. I'm gonna leave it out and then hopefully it dries in the wind and put it away later. 2 socks apparently don't have their matches. This is all stuff that I know I wear, and if you can see a theme in colors, she likes what she likes. But now it's time to tackle this guy. So in here, this is just kind of like odds and ends, I guess you would say. So socks, undergarments, this is like sleep stuff, and also dresses and skirts. So like sleep shorts and leggings, a tank that I sleep in, and then skirt. There's a couple dresses back there, some swim cover-up pants there. And then down here, I super lighten this load, and this is pretty much all that I wear, which you might have seen. I have a couple shirts. This is the pile that I'm going to be putting in here somehow. But I got rid of a couple of shirts because this is what I noticed that I actually wear. We got the undershirts. I have a lot of undershirts because I really like wearing these with like a really lightweight linen or cotton overshirt. Again, are we seeing a pattern in color scheme? So there's those, and then I have so many that I had to tuck one back because it wouldn't fit. This is actually a graphic tee, it's just on the back, but these are my graphic tees, my regular t-shirts. There is a long sleeve down there. and then my bandanas. So yeah, no more beanies in here. This one's gonna be the difficult drawer because I still have more to put in here. But the one thing I notice is that I change my pants quite often just to feel clean. Like, I can have a shirt last 2 or 3 days, but pants I change every day, if not twice a day. So this one is gonna be a little filled to the brim. So we have jeans below, and then leggings, my yoga pants. This is a pair of jean shorts. These are leggings that I also wear underneath jeans. And then these are all my shorts minus one pair that's dirty and the pair that I'm wearing. So there's that. And yeah, we're gonna go put this back in and see what we can do on top. So after a quick little mishap and a slight change of plans, I now have the drawers back in and it's somewhat organized under my bed. It's better than it was, okay? It's better than it was. Now I have to put stuff back. That's the fun part. No, I did not record any of that because my phone was about to die, so. It charged though, it's up to like 53% now, and could not be more happy about that. All right, anyways, need water. So the one thing I think is like my main goal out of the whole, when I get to a point where I can just get stuff out of the car, my main goal is to have everything in its place where I don't really have to move stuff around to get to it, or like take stuff out, put stuff in. That's the ultimate goal, because you almost have to account for like 3 times as much time that you would typically need to do the same thing in like a normal house. Not complaining, but doesn't make it any less of a pain in the butt. And just like that, the ice is melted. And I need another bottle of water. I'll be happy because it's water, but I'm not happy because it's not cold. This is everything I have to organize right now. How do we want to do this? So, my thing is, this is my medicine cabinet. And as you can see, it got indented because I had a bungee cord around it, but now I don't need a bungee cord around it. Oh, you know what? Maybe it doesn't need the same bungee cord. So water bottle that I stepped on repeatedly today, not on purpose. Face wash. Paper towels. Peroxide. Biofreeze. Flossers. Toothbrush. Toothpaste. Toothpaste. Deodorant. Hand sanitizer. Gauze pads. Off-brand Mucinex. The most disgusting thing in the world. Acid reducer. Gas X. You never know. Ibuprofen. Benadryl. Hydrocortisone. Vapor rub. Sunscreen. Digestive enzymes. Double-sided mirror. Lotion. Lip balm. Febreze. Hand sanitizer wipe. Hair clips and bobby pins. Salt and pepper. Don't judge me, this is also my dining room. Flashlights. An extra clip. Jewelry. Hair ties. Now, Bub stays next to me when I sleep. And then typically at night, my phone, keys, glasses go all right here. So there's my vanity. Cheers. I have not been able to find the cream soda in store since August. I'm in heaven. So by absolutely no stretch of the imagination am I anywhere near being done. I made headway, but I have to call it because it is just after 6 and I need to get out of the park. So yeah, because the park doors close at sunset, which I'm sure they have somebody come around and be like, hey, you need to leave. But I still have to go get ice. I think that's it. I think. Don't quote me on that. But for right now, this is what we're able to do. I need to get back, put my window covers up. I like to do that before it gets dark because then it's like, oh, she's just protecting her car from the shade, which is technically not false, but other things too. I'm gonna enjoy these little chocolates. I stocked up on chocolates from Valentine's Day to get my sweet like fixation, and these are part of them. They're just these little 4 like chocolate bites. One is strawberry shortcake and milk chocolate, one's cheesecake and milk chocolate, one's cookies and cream and dark chocolate, and one's salted caramel brownie and milk chocolate. It looks like this. It comes in a little box. Don't mind the box because this was a little mishap that we had partially. Apparently Arizona, just elevation is constantly changing, and my glass jar of pasta sauce exploded. So it didn't ruin this, but yeah, and it does not smell good. Oh, I should have thrown this way. Oh well. We're gonna start with this one. They're so good. This is a caramel brownie, but these are only 49 cents a box after Valentine's Day, so I was like, score. All right, I need to get out of here. Let's go. Okay, so I am back. I like how, gosh, what's her name? Is it Alyssa? Gaming Foodie? She's always like, I'm back, and we know that I'm back because I'm here. So that's what I feel like doing. I'm gonna try to wrap this up pretty quickly because I don't like having this super... One of my window shades is trying to come off. I don't like having this super bright light on while I'm in here for the night. And I just realized, I was like, it's after 9:30. Yeah, it's 9:45. I was like, it sure is freaking busy on this road. And I was like, oh yeah, it's Friday. Normal people do stuff on Friday. So, I'll plug this guy in. I am at, nice, I'm only at 43%. So we're gonna plug in the O light because this is what I typically use to light in here at night. So love these things. Shout out to you, mama. So I'm gonna let that charge. I'm gonna hop up and grab my adapter so I can charge my phone. Really all that is left to do, I have a few things. Yeah, I have the pants that I was letting air dry earlier that I need to put away. One of them I will be wearing tomorrow, so I'm just gonna keep those out. And then all I have to do is reline my bucket, make sure that's good to go, and then really that's it. This is pretty much all I do. I might get on my phone, watch some YouTube for the night, but overall this is it. And I kind of just wind myself down, get ready for bed, and then call it a day. So I really have not done much since getting ice earlier. Oh, and you know something? I go through ice very quickly. And for me personally, because I really like cold things, like cold drinks and whatnot, but also because it's Arizona and it's 90 degrees always. Not really, but a hack. It's not really a hack, but this, I filled this up with ice when I got it. This is my water cup. This is my baby. I love her. We have a bond, okay? We do. Love her. This is also my other baby. Again, shout out to you, mother. Thank you very much. If you're ever like feeling low on ice and you have 2 insulated cups and like you want to make sure that you have ice for water or whatnot, fill your other cup up fully with ice. And these last a really long time, okay? So I just fill one up only with ice, and then I do ice and water in the other one, and I'm set for like 2 days pretty much because I go through a lot of water. That's just one tip from me to you. Yeah, that really is pretty much it. There's not really anything else I'm gonna do. I mean, for a reset day, you know, I'm going to brush my teeth and wash my face and kind of chill for a little while, but that's pretty much it. So thank you so very much for cleaning, decluttering, kind of organizing with me today. Yeah, I'll see you in the next one.